Best deals.
1. Cooker. The beautiful, durable black finish given by 60 microns thick hard anodizing. And your pressure cooker stays looking new for years. Additionally, permanently attached to the extra thick base is a plate of ASI magnetic stainless steel which makes the cooker induction compatible. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Blender. Offers versatile blend modes, an on-off function for continuous operation up to 60 seconds, a smart blend mode that counts down from 45 seconds, a power blend mode that counts down from 60 seconds, and a pulse function that starts with a simple press. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Grater. Crafted from durable stainless steel, promises longevity and reliability. This grater for kitchen is ideal for finely shredding cheese, making it a must-have tool for any culinary enthusiast seeking quality and precision. This grater for kitchen use is an essential tool for those looking to streamline meal preparation with ease and versatility. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Containers. Made with high borosilicate glass, a protective silicone sleeve, and BPA-free lids, these containers are durable, toxin-free, and 100% food safe. They are microwave, oven, without lid and sleeve, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them perfect for cooking, reheating, and storing meals. The set includes 370 ml, 600 ml, and 1000 ml containers. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kadai. Made from heavy-duty cast iron that distributes heat evenly and maintains high temperatures for perfect searing and deep frying. Features a high-quality, heat-resistant glass lid that allows you to monitor cooking progress without lifting the cover and losing moisture or heat. Usually comes pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, providing a naturally non-stick surface. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Rice pot drainer. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining, neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodle strainer. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Container. It has bigger holes to provide enough air circulation to keep garlic fresh and dry. Crafted with a larger size, store 750 gram to 1 kg garlic with this garlic jar. Simply hand wash your garlic cellar with soap and water. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cylinder trolley. Stylish powder-coated red finish adds durability. Engineered with 4 durable wheels that smoothly support full LPG cylinders during movement. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Utility bin. This foldable waste bin expands when in use and collapses flat when not needed, saving valuable space in your kitchen, car, camping gear, or storage area. Made from premium quality flexible plastic and reinforced structure, this bin is lightweight yet strong enough for daily waste, garden debris, and outdoor use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Tissues. Are made from 100% virgin wood pulp, offering a soft, lint-free, and gentle experience for skin and surfaces. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Plate. Used for holding food items above the base during steaming or boiling processes. Round perforated plate structure with multiple holes and raised stand legs visible, has metal construction with smooth rounded edges. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Rice spoon. Made from high-quality silicone and beech wood for durability and long-lasting use. Effortlessly scoops rice and other foods without sticking. Comfortable beech wood handle for a secure grip. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Atta maker. Knead all types of dough, from soft chapati dough to pizza dough, effortlessly with the Atta Kneader dough maker, saving your time and energy in the kitchen. Machine with its 3-liter stainless steel bowl provides ample capacity to knead large batches of dough, making it perfect for families or batch cooking. The bowl is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to rust. The transparent, lockable lid ensures you can monitor your dough's progress while preventing any mess or spillage during the kneading process. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Squeezer. is made with ultra-strong high-quality alloy, with the perfect metal composition for no corrosion or rusting in unbreakable tank status. This easy-to-use and easy-to-store lemon squeeze tool is built like a tank. It will last literally a lifetime, no more bulky, hard-to-clean juices crowding the decor of your home bar or kitchen. This Citrus Press Lemon Crusher has you covered. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Salad Processor. Space-saving collapsible technology. Innovative collapsible design allows the spinner to fold flat for easy storage and expand to a generous size for washing and drying large batches of salad, fruits, and vegetables. Versatile multifunctional tool. More than just a salad spinner. It also cleans fruits, dries vegetables, and slices salads effortlessly. One tool for multiple kitchen tasks, saving your time and counter space. Crafted from durable, food-safe materials, the salad spinner is built to last. Its smooth, easy-to-clean surface ensures hassle-free maintenance and keeps your kitchen looking tidy. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Casserole is a high-quality cooking utensil with several noteworthy features, excellent release properties. This bowl is designed to have excellent non-stick properties, which means that food is less likely to stick to its surface. This can make cooking and serving dishes easier and more enjoyable. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cleaning brush. Made of high-quality ABS material and the handle is made of PP with durable nylon bristles. The silicone button has good sealing performance without worrying about leaks. When filling the detergent, you don't have to worry about leakage. Just open the cover at the end of the brush, spray the cleaning liquid into the injection handle, the liquid does not leak, and then press the button to clean the kitchen. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Tray with handles was artfully crafted with all of your needs in mind. It's perfect for serving dinner, cocktails, tea or as vintage coffee table decor. Use them as food trays for eating on the couch, an ottoman tray, a laptop bed tray for watching Netflix or working from home, a coffee table organizer, or a chic decorative centerpiece. Perfect to storage your daily essentials or decorative accessories. It can be used as bathroom vanity tray, perfume trays, dresser tray, decorative tray, makeup tray organizer. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Coffee machine. Enjoy 3 popular coffee recipes, from classic espresso, regular black coffee to cappuccino, with the perfect creamer, aroma and temperature. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Water dispenser. Is easy to be installed and carried. It is ideal for offices, outdoor, public places, hotels, picnics or camping activities and anywhere. You'll always have fresh water at your disposal both indoors and outdoors if you use an electric water dispenser. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Oil extraction machine. Extracts 4 to 8 kg oil per hour from peanuts, groundnuts, sesame, almonds, mustard and more. Retains natural nutrients, aroma and taste as oil is pressed without heat damage, unlike chemically refined oils. Built with a robust 600W motor and precise digital temperature controller, giving you a consistent, high-quality oil output every batch. No guesswork, no burning. Complete stainless steel construction ensures rust-free, hygienic and long-lasting daily use in Indian kitchens. Comes with oil collection pot, stainless steel filter, strainer, heat-resistant glove, cleaning brush, spare spring, power cord and detailed user manual, everything ready to use out of the box. Simple on-off digital panel, overload protection and auto cleanup mode make it beginner-friendly. Machine features advanced cold press technology for efficient oil extraction. Maximize oil yield from seeds and nuts like sesame, sunflower, and almonds, with minimal waste. Ideal for home use, this machine ensures top quality results every time. The robust design and precision engineering ensure consistent, high-quality oil output. It's the perfect oil press machine for a reliable, long-lasting performance at home. With a digital temperature controller and clear instructions, it's perfect for beginners. Just press a button, add your seeds, and let the machine handle the rest. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Aroma diffuser. Elevate your home with this electric aroma diffuser for home, featuring a stunning rain cloud design that blends modern sophistication with functionality. Not just a humidifier, it transforms your space by releasing a fragrant mist with 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil, enhancing relaxation and improving indoor air quality. Perfect for creating a serene and stylish atmosphere, it's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle after years of use. It's beautiful and suitable for any settings. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Yogurt maker. Automatic temperature control maintains precise 42 to 45 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 hours regardless of room temperature, season, or weather. Whether it's December's chill, your air-conditioned bedroom, or monsoon dampness, you get the same thick, probiotic-rich dahi every time. Finally, year-round consistency without temperature anxiety. Premium materials that protect your family and your budget. Food-grade stainless steel interior ensures no plastic contact with your fermenting yogurt, safe for your family every single batch. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Steam cleaner. Is versatile appliance which supports daily cleaning. Steam cleaner works perfect across hardwood floors, upholstery, kitchens, and bathrooms using steam-based operation with adjustable steam settings. This steam mop floor cleaner includes washable microfiber pads, swivel movement, and carpet attachment for cleaning floors, rugs and furniture areas. Steam mop supports comfortable handling with its foldable ergonomic design. Steam cleaner for home cleaning is with detachable handheld unit, extension hose, angled nozzle, and brushes. Our steam cleaner for car is suitable for dashboards, seats, also kitchen spaces, sinks and tight corners. Steam cleaner for sofa includes upholstery tools, microfiber clothes, scraping accessories, and steam control options. This steamer for cleaning is suitable for fabric surfaces, countertops, stovetops, microwaves, and grout lines. This steam floor cleaning machine for home features a 350 ml water tank, quick heat-up system. Steam cleaner for kitchen has 15 minutes continuous steam time, 5-meter cord, and one-touch body detachment for easier cleaning. Featuring 2 steam modes, a 350 ml tank, a 5M cord, and 12 accessories, it effortlessly cleans all surfaces and upholstery. Its swivel design and foldable handle ensure easy maneuverability and compact storage. The evolution of modern household cleaning has undergone a paradigm shift in recent years, moving rapidly away from the reliance on abrasive, chemically laden commercial cleansers and transitioning toward the sustainable, efficient, and scientifically proven power of natural steam. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Chopping board. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, the Herlich Homes chopping board ensures durability and resistance to rust, providing a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Each chopping board comes with a complimentary rolling pin, offering added convenience and versatility for your kitchen tasks. Stainless steel is non-porous, preventing the absorption of odors, flavors. Safe and durable, resistant to scratches, cracks, and dents, ensuring a safe and long-lasting kitchen accessories. Chopping board offers a sufficient cutting area for chopping vegetables, meat, fish, fruits, and more. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Squeezer. This hand-pressed manual orange juicer is made of 304 stainless steel and is efficient for juicing citrus fruits like oranges, pomegranates, lemons, and limes. The ergonomic design with long handles allows easy pressing and minimal effort to extract juice. In addition to juicing citrus fruits, it can also extract juice from oranges, pomegranates and other soft fruits. The detachable parts make cleaning the juicer a breeze after use. With its compact and portable design, this manual juicer is perfect for small kitchens or travel. Featuring a comfortable, non-slip handle for a secure grip during operation. Crafted from high-quality 340 stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Extracts citrusy, fresh juices from oranges, lemons and grapefruits of any size while powering up with vitamin C and antioxidants. Tastes better than store-bought juice. This juice squeezer is constructed with a 304 food-grade stainless steel and heavy-duty solid cast iron, which is durable for long-time use. It is absolutely safe and provides pure, healthy, fresh juice. This manual juicer is easy to operate, since all you need to do is to cut the fruit in half, put one half in the device and press down on the handle to get fresh juice without losing any nutrition. The pulp and seeds are left in the strainer core, which is effective and provides the purest juice. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Glass spice jars. Made from high-quality, lead-free glass that's built to last. Shaker lids plus metal caps create a double seal that locks out moisture and air, keeping your spices, herbs, and seasonings fresher for longer. Comes with 48 blank labels and a chalk marker, so you can label every jar and find exactly what you need at a glance. No more guessing games while cooking. Product link is given in the 27th link.